What up, you guys? It's Brian here. So right now, I'm about to sing New Truck by country singer Dylan Scott. So I hope you enjoyed. I need a new truck. There ain't nothing wrong with mine. It's got 40-something thousand miles and the engine runs just fine. No, it ain't tore up, ain't got a scratch, ain't got a dent. The radio works, it don't show dirt, worth every dime I spent. I was gonna drive it till the wheels fell off. Yeah, that was before she slammed the door, said it's over, then got lost. I need one she ain't climbed up and that ain't played her favorite songs. Need some glass that we ain't fogged up, that the bare feet ain't been on. I need a hood that we ain't laid on, kiss until that sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in luck. I need a new truck. Yeah, I need it right now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Can't take another red light with a memory over in that seat. If I find one more hair ties that slipped off her wrist, one more chapstick, one more picture, I might push it off a bridge. I need one she ain't climbed up in, that ain't played her favorite songs. Need some glass that we ain't fogged up, that her bare feet ain't been on. I need a hood that we ain't laid on, kiss until that sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in luck. I need a new truck. Yeah. I never wrecked it, but it might as well be. Sitting on blocks in some old shop, the way that girl wrecked me. I need one she ain't climbed up and that ain't played her favorite songs. Need some glass that we ain't fogged up, that her bare feet ain't been on. I need a hood that we ain't laid on, kiss until that sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in luck. I need a new truck. Yeah, I need a new truck. Yeah, I need a new truck. Thank you guys so much.